members of the Langere, Tambia and Muanidevo Central Farmers Cooperative. Ladies and gentlemen, Bulabinaka, I'm very happy to be here in the friendly north with all of you today. I want to begin right away by congratulating our hardworking farmers on raising their contributions and working with government to secure these two state-of-the-art rice harvesters for their communities. While it is not the only cause, Russia's war on Ukraine is the biggest driver of the price increase crisis we're seeing right now, because it has cut off vital supplies of food, particularly cereals and energy. Aside from cost increases driven by shortages, inflation is also skyrocketing globally, in part due to disruptions in the supply chain that began during the pandemic and of course has created scarcities. Fiji is feeling this as well through the goods that we import. As a country, we have never experienced so many external threats to our food and nutrition security as we do currently. From COVID to climate changes, from global conflict to tropical cyclones, it has never been more important to build community-level resilience and fortify ourselves as much as we can against the impacts of both natural and man-made disasters. These new rice harvesters are part of that exact process. In June this year, my government delivered 3 rice harvesters to the Matsawalevu Land Purchase Cooperative, the Naimbulu Nadula Stage 1 Cooperative and the Muanidevo Stage 3 Rice Farmers Cooperative. Today we are following that with 2 more, and in total we will hand over 10 such harvesters between 2022 and 2023. All of these are part of the government cooperative partnership. The farmer co-op pays for 1/3 of the machine and government covers the remaining 2/3 of the cost. That means that Langere, Tambia Cooperative and Muanidevo Central Farmers Cooperative paid 15,667 respectively for their harvesters, while government paid the remaining 31,333 per rice harvester per cooperative. We have a long history of achieving development together. The Northern Division now has 10 government-owned rice harvesters, 10 privately owned rice harvesters, and soon 10 cooperative-owned rice harvesters. My government is focused on ensuring the livelihood and security of every Fijian farmer by securing their production and value chains. Therefore, and thereby also protecting the food security of every Fijian woman, man, girl, and boy. Stats show that Fiji imported $42.6 million worth of rice in 2020 and $46 million worth the year before that, placing rice in the top 3 non-meat agriculture-based imports for Fiji. There is an opportunity, we all know that, and in today's state of the art, I need to progressively reduce Fiji's reliance on imported rice. These rice harvesters will help do that by addressing and resolving some of the biggest challenges faced by our farmers, such as labor shortages, while also providing cleaner grains by effectively separating weeds from grain. The farm can be prepared easily within a shorter time frame for the next crop as well, thus allowing for higher yields. Ladies and gentlemen, earlier this month, the Minister of Agriculture launched 27 initiatives worth more than $29.2 million as a direct assistance package to support first-time farmers, boost their productions, and contribute to Fijian exports. The ministry is also offering to assist existing farmers who wish to further expand and boost their business. I want to take this time to encourage all farmers here today to grab this opportunity with both hands and apply for the announced initiatives, especially our women and youth farmers. Fiji's agriculture sector is growing rapidly and show no signs of slowing down. From 2016 to 2020, we produced on average 7,747 metric tons of rice. However, between 2019 and 2020, within the space of a year, both rice volume and value increased by 42.8%. Before I end with these brief words, let me pause here to congratulate all the rice farmers in the Northern Division. In 2020, you recorded the highest rice production in the whole country, whopping 7,269.5 metric tons. That is an achievement that you should be very proud of. You are a critical part of government's mission to lower Fiji's rice import bill, as well as other food import bills, while helping drive up local food production and strengthen food security for every Fijian. It is my pleasure to hand over the keys of these world-class machines to the Langere Tambia Cooperative and the Muanidevo Central Farmers Cooperative, both of whom I know will make very good use of it for themselves, their communities, and their country. Also here are the Savu Rongayawa Women's Club, who will all be receiving supply of kitchen utensils totaling $6,500 under the small grant scheme. Thank you. Naka.